welcome back to my channel. We are back at it today with another Boxycharm unboxing. Today I have my Boxycharm here for the month of March. We're just moving along here into the new year, so I have all of the items in my Boxycharm I'm going to be sharing with you guys in today's video. So if that sounds good, let's go ahead and get started. So we've got our Boxycharm here. I actually haven't seen any spoilers this month or watched any other videos or anything, so I'm pretty excited to see what came inside this month's box. If you are new to my Boxycharm unboxings, I do these every single month here on my channel. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service where you receive makeup items every single month. There are quite a few tiers to it now, so you can have your regular box, which is what I have right here. This one retails for $25. There's also a premium box. There is a Boxy Luxe box as well. I'll have the link down below if you want to check it out and sign up for it, but let's go ahead and see what came inside of our regular box this month. So I did get the larger box again this month, which is exciting. So let's go ahead and see what we've got going on. So first up, we have our little card right here. This comes in every single box, and it basically just says all of the items here, and I will show you guys. So this is called the Pretty Edgy month here, and the variation that I have is 25. You guys always ask me which variation I do have, so it's box 25. I will have the weight of my box along with the dimensions of it down in the description box as well, because I always get asked about that. Our first product in here is from Pharmacy. Ooh, this is limited edition Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This is actually a really, really good makeup remover. I have the original one, the Green Queen, I believe is what it's called. So it looks like they came out with a cherry version. I don't know if this is exclusive for Boxycharm, but this is good. Nevertheless, I love this, especially for removing my eye makeup. It's very gentle on the eyes. So this one retails for $34, and I like the fact that they have it in the cherry scent. Hopefully this doesn't irritate my skin. My skin's been doing a lot of different things lately, and it's been getting irritated by quite a few products, so hopefully that one's good for me. But again, that one is $34. So up next in here, ooh, we have a product from Becca, and this is a glow gloss. I really love this formula, you guys. It's such a good lip gloss. I have the shade Camilla. So here is what Camilla looks like. It's this pink shade right here, and I believe I have this in my collection. I'm gonna go look and see if I can swatch the one that I have. That way I can save this one for a giveaway for you guys. Luckily, I just redid my entire makeup room, so everything is like all clean and organized. So I have here the Camilla Gloss. I did own it in my collection. I love this formula. It has a little bit of like a mintiness to it. It's very opaque, but it's also not too much to where it's like overpowering or too intense. So here is the shade Camilla. It's just a really, really pretty pink shade. Gives a nice look to the lips. And again, these are really comfortable, and they have a nice wand as well. They have a little bit of a bend to them. I believe these retail for $20. Let's see in here, yes, $22 actually for the lip gloss. All right, moving along to our next product. This is from Spongerelle. This is French Lavender Body Wash Infused Buffer. What is this? Let's go ahead and pull this out. Okay, so here is what that looks like. I'm gonna have to read on this because I'm not really sure what this is. So it's a body wash plush buffer. It says it cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. Place a sponge under water, squeeze to absorb, massage in circular motion to cleanse the skin. Interesting. I've never heard of this, and I haven't really seen many products like this. You guys will have to let me know down below if you've tried something like this. So let's see what the price on this one here is. So this is $16 for this. I wonder how many uses you get out of this. So let's see. Oh, it says, okay, number of washes is 14 plus, so it's guaranteed 14 washes for this. Okay, so that's not so bad. I was like, if it's only one-time use, that's not that great. But nevertheless, that's exciting. It smells really good. Okay, so next up in here, this is from Serta, and this is a mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip. Here's what the little package here looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. So it is actually just like a little mini wand. This is really cute. Here is what it looks like. I've seen them do like the mini hair dryers and things like in the past, but I've never seen a little mini curling wands. But here is what it looks like, and it just has an on-off switch. Mine is yellow. I'm not sure if there are different colors in here. So the price on this one is $50. It says it goes up to a temperature of 370. And I was trying to see if there was something saying what size barrel this is. It is a 19 millimeter barrel. So I will be curious to see. This would be nice for travel if it actually like gives me nice curls. I don't know. I normally use a little bit of a bigger barrel, so I'll be interested to try this one out. But it is nice to have just like a little mini one if you are traveling. And then our last product this month is a palette, it looks like, and this is from Living in Color Pallets, I think it is. Here is what the packaging here looks like, and this is from Hank & Henry, and we have gotten quite a few things from Hank & Henry in the past with Boxycharm. I can't say that I've seen this palette, so I'm interested to see it. So here is what it looks like. Very fun packaging, kind of matches my nails right now. And let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh, this is actually really pretty. So here is the inside. I love the packaging on this. On the inside, it's really cute. So we have 9 different colors in here. It also has a mirror, which is nice. And let's go ahead and swatch some of these. I don't think I've ever tried Hank & Henry's eyeshadows before. Correct me if I'm wrong. We might have got them in another Boxycharm, but I don't think so. I think from what I've seen, we just gotten like their lip products before. So swatch-wise, this looks really pretty. Here are some of the swatches. I kind of swatched them weird here because we had the lip products, but we have the different blues in here. There's also just some browns, a couple of like red shades in here as well. So it looks like it has enough variation to where you could do some fun, colorful looks with this one, but also it has more wearable shades with those like cranberries and the neutrals up here, but definitely fun with those pops of blue. So I will have to try this out and let you guys know what I think. If ever you want to see these products used in action, make sure you follow me on my Instagram because I'm always using the newest products over on my Instagram, so make sure to check me out on there. But that is the last product that we got in this month's box, and the price on the Hank & Henry palette is $27. To summarize on all the products, we do have the eyeshadow palette, which again, swatches look really gorgeous on that. We got the Glow Gloss in Camilla from Becca, which I love this formula. We also got the Pharmacy Makeup Melt, really great product, full size here. We got the curling iron, the little mini curling iron, and then we also got that sponge. So all in all, I think this is a pretty good box. Again, it's only $25. You're definitely getting your money's worth. I think with the Becca Gloss and the Makeup Melt, the other items are kind of just extras for me. I'm not sure about this sponge. That's the only thing that I'm kind of like about. The curling wand too, I don't know if I'll get a ton of use out of that, but if I do like the curls with it, I will. But I like the palette and I like the other 2 products. So you guys will have to let me know down below, like I said, if you've ever tried something like this, or if you like mini curling wands, maybe that's something you guys like as well. Also comment what you got in your Boxycharm. I'm always super curious when you guys tell me the products that you are getting. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.